In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do auto-blogging with aiwisemind. aiwisemind is a really cool tool that allows you to use the power of ChatGPT using OpenAI's API keys so that you can do auto-blogging. It will completely automate the blog process of putting articles on your blog. Now, this tool was made specifically for affiliate marketers. So if you're looking to make money online by creating a website, this is the perfect tool to do that because you can use it for like Amazon affiliates posts. You can use it for any type of product. So any product that has a sales page or has a product page, you can input that here and it will make a complete review for you, all within Google's guidelines of SEO. So it's really, really cool. And these pages do rank. So if you click on the link below and look at the sales page of this, you'll see that the pages actually do rank in Google. So it's really, really cool. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New Campaign. And I'm just going to do an informational post, but you can do Amazon product reviews with this, and you can do regular product reviews with this. In fact, I'll click on the Amazon product review, and I'm going to show you that you can do multiple product roundup. And what that means is if you're looking to compare products, you can do that here. You can just put in like two or three URLs down here in this URLs box, and it will go ahead and pull the information from those URLs, and it will compare the products and put in a really nice table for you. So it's really, really cool. So, but for now, I'm going to go do an informational post. So for my campaign name, I'm going to name it, what do I need to look for in a riding mower? That's what my post is going to be about. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the keywords URLs. So you can do multiple articles at the same time. You would just need to put it in a list here. Just put a list of your titles, what you want your titles to be. And always use keyword as title, because if you don't click this box, then might come up with a different title, but that's what I like to do. So I want to make sure that that keeps as the title. So context, you can give some context about the content. So I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to let it come up with its own content, which is really good, by the way. Affiliate links, if you have any affiliate links, this isn't a review page, but you can do those. Like I said, the Amazon reviews and the product reviews. And anchor text, visit an official website. So we're not going to add any anchor text or buttons in this. This is what this is, just for buttons. This is specifically for Amazon and affiliate links. Embeds, I'm going to make sure the embeds stay on, because this will add a relevant YouTube video to my post along with images. So I'm going to keep these image sources. It's going to add images based on these image sources. The only one that I'm going to uncheck is the DALL-E, because I'm not sure exactly what kind of image it's going to create. So I'm going to uncheck that. And I'm going to add image copyright disclosure here as well. Just to be on the safe side, it's going to add image, maybe subject copyright underneath the images. And we can select what type of GPT model there is. So I'm going to go ahead and use ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. You can use ChatGPT 4 if you want, but it's 10 times more costly. So keep in mind that you're using your OpenAI API key for this, which is going to incur a little bit of charges on OpenAI's portion of it. Now, the cost of these articles, if you use the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, is very minimal. It's probably going to be anywhere between 3 and 5 cents per article. However, if you use the ChatGPT 4, it's going to be 10 times more costly, so it's going to be anywhere between 30 and 40 cents per article. So keep that in mind as well. So I'm going to use the 3.5 for this, and I'm going to keep my English language here. And these are set to, these are kind of like the default recommended things here as the point of view as you are yours. I'm going to keep that as second person, along with the tone of voice is friendly. You have a lot of choices here that you could put. So, but I find that friendly is the best one for me. Content length. Now, since this is an informational post, I'm going to select 3,000 words, but you can go anywhere between 800 words to 1,500 words to 3,000 words. Now, it does use ChatGPT, so there's a good chance that it's not going to keep this 3,000 words. A lot of the time, it will go over that and create 4,000 words articles, which rank really well in Google. Now, medium words, the mediums can go anywhere from like 1,300 to 2,000 I can find, and then the short ones I haven't really used that much. So it probably could go up to 1,000 words. But I'm going to keep the long one. Now, number of posts to create, I'm going to keep it at 1. Now, keep in mind, depending on how many keywords that you put up here. So if you put 5 keywords in here, or if you put 50 keywords in here, if you put 50 keywords up here, you're going to want to put 50 posts to create here. But you could put a general broad topic, such as riding mowers, and you can put 10 posts to create, and it will create 10 posts based on that one keyword. And each post would be different, of course. And here is a way that we can put it to publish to our web page, to our WordPress website. You can publish to as many WordPress websites as you want. You can publish to multiple ones at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and publish immediately, and I'm going to post to WordPress. You have the option to publish on the schedule. So if you have like 50 of them in here, you can post like 1 every day, or 3 every day, or maybe 1 a week, or 3 a week, 10 a week, or 5 a month, or something like that, however you want to do it. And I'm going to keep post to WordPress option selected, and I'm going to put my site in here as Tractor Upgrades. And I'm going to post status. I'm going to go ahead and make it published. And we have some options down here to auto-generate the featured image. I'm going to go ahead and leave that checked. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck the auto-generate category since I already have categories listed in here. However, it will auto-generate the category for you if you want. It will auto-generate tags for you, so I'm going to leave that checked. And it also can add internal links. Now, this is a very new feature that they've just come out with. They're still testing it, and it does use GPT-4. Remember what I told you, if you use GPT-4, your costs are going to go up with OpenAI. So if you use this, it's going to go up another 10 cents. So instead of 3 to 5 cents per article, then you're going to have, if you add internal links, it's going to go up to like 13 to 15 cents per article. So keep that in mind if you want to add the internal links, because it does use ChatGPT to do that. And the categories, I'm going to use the category as blog, and I'm going to go ahead and create. Now, after I hit the create button, I see that it's active, and it's only going to create 1 post because I only put the 1 post in there. If I wanted to put more posts in there, then I could have done that, and it would have just scheduled them out, or it posted immediately as I would have wanted them to. So this is an informational post that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll click on this here, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and it says processing. So it'll tell you the status as it's going. And I'm going to go ahead over to my blog, and this is my last blog article. Does John Deere manufacture their own engines? And let's see what happens when it publishes. So let me go ahead and refresh. This usually doesn't take very long at all. So it's still processing at 20%. I did want to mention there are tutorials over here on the left-hand side of the screen. You want to go ahead in your settings and do your APIs before you even get started. Make sure you put your open API keys in there so that it will work with ChatGPT. It also has a cool site wizard that will allow you it will set up the website for you. So if you have a perfectly clean WordPress website, it will completely set it up for you automatically using ChatGPT. And you can do site groups, and this is where you connect your sites. And there's tutorials on how to connect your sites and all that. So there's also a Facebook group for this. So if you feel like you're lost or you need help with something, there's always people in this Facebook group. I'm in there all the time. I love this piece of software. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. So I really think it's an amazing piece of software. So let me go ahead and refresh this and see if it's done yet. So it's published. We have 1,517 words inside this article. So even though I put in 3,000 words, it made 1,500 words. So it's going to fluctuate. So let me go back and do a refresh on my website. And there it is. What do I need to look for in a riding mower? And it kept the title. Remember, we wanted the title, keep the title. And this is what it did. So table of contents, lawn size, cutting with deck size, engine power and performance, fuel type and capacity. And I put this as I have this posted using a plugin. It's called Code Snippets. And because I do put Amazon product reviews in here, so I make sure that this is on every single post that goes through my website. So as you can see, it's got a introduction here. This is the introduction. It's got the relevant YouTube video. It's got H2s in here. It's got relevant images. And we see here, this images property of lawnmowerfix.com. So wherever it found it from, it gave credit to. It gave credit image a property of Diamond B Tractors. So it gave credit to them. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So, and that's really all that you have to do. And then if you do the automated stuff, then it's going to automatically publish to your blog, to your website every single day or every single hour, every 4 hours, whatever you do. So, and like I said, if you're looking to make money online, you can do that with this as well, with the Amazon portion and the review site portion as well. So I just wanted to show you kind of briefly how it worked with aiwisemind and how can you use ChatGPT to do auto blogging on your website. This is the perfect way to start a blog, or if you have a blog category on your website, this is the perfect tool to use to just stay automated, stay updated with your website, and you have to do minimal work. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel, as I'll have more videos like this coming out here in the near future. So I want to thank you for watching all the way through, and you have a great day.